Hey everyone, imagine you're driving smoothly but suddenly your transmission starts acting up, harsh shifting, slipping gears, or even getting stuck in one gear. You plug in your OBD-II scanner and guess what? You see code P0961. This error means there's an issue with the pressure control solenoid A circuit, specifically high voltage. Ignoring it can lead to serious transmission failure. But don't worry, in this video, we'll cover what P0961 means, where the sensors are located, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0961? DTC P0961 stands for Pressure Control Solenoid, A control circuit high voltage. Your car's transmission control module, TCM, controls hydraulic pressure inside the transmission using solenoids. If solenoid A receives excessive voltage, it can cause hard shifts, overheating, or even total transmission failure. Common symptoms of P0961. If your car has this code, you might notice harsh or delayed shifting transmission slipping, high RPMs but no acceleration, check engine light, CL, or transmission warning light, overheating transmission limp mode, stuck in one gear. Sensor and component locations, very important. To diagnose P0961, check these key components: pressure control, solenoid A location, inside the transmission valve body, near the other solenoids. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting. Transmission control module, TCM, location. Usually found near the battery, inside the transmission, or under the dashboard. Function, controls the solenoid's voltage and shifting logic. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location. Mounted on the transmission case, near the fluid lines. Function, measures fluid pressure, and sends data to the TCM. Wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit location, runs from the TCM to the solenoid inside the transmission. Function, transfers electrical signals to control shifting. What causes P0961? Common causes include 1. Faulty pressure control, solenoid A. Internal failure can cause high voltage readings. 2. Wiring issues, corrosion, short circuits, or loose connections, leads to voltage spikes. 3. Failing transmission control module, TCM, sends incorrect voltage signals. 4. Weak or faulty alternator, unstable voltage output affecting the circuit. 5. Low or contaminated transmission fluid, causes erratic solenoid operation. How to fix P0961? Follow these steps. Step 1. Check transmission fluid condition. Low or dirty fluid can cause shifting problems. If dirty, flush and replace with fresh ATF. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, loose, or corroded wires. Fix any broken connections. Step 3. Test the pressure control solenoid. A. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoids. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be between 3-10 ohms. If faulty, replace the solenoid. Step 4. Check the battery and alternator. A failing alternator can cause voltage fluctuations. Test the alternator output. Should be 13.5V-14.5V. Step 5. Scan and reset the TCM. Use a diagnostic scanner to reset the transmission control module. Drive the car and check if the shifting improves. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, erase the code using an OBD-II scanner. Drive for at least 10-15 miles to check for normal operation. Final words. If your car has P0961, it means the pressure control solenoid A is receiving excessive voltage, leading to erratic shifting and possible transmission failure. Fixing this issue early can save you from expensive transmission repairs. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0789, shift solenoid malfunction. P0790, transmission range performance issue. This is IG Garage, your trusted source for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.